Hello friends, welcome to Mini Bear Club. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to meet 50 amazing dog breeds. Labrador Retriever, German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Bulldog, Poodle, Beagle, Rottweiler, Dachshund, Boxer, Siberian Husky, Chihuahua, Great Dane, Doberman Pinscher, Shih Tzu, Pug, Dalmatian, Cocker Spaniel, Border Collie, Saint Bernard, Basset Hound, Akita, Australian Shepherd, Maltese, French Bulldog, Pembroke Welsh Corgi, Newfoundland, Greyhound, Alaskan Malamute, Boston Terrier, Samoyed, Shetland Sheepdog, Bernese Mountain Dog, Havanese, Papillon, Chow Chow, Pomeranian, Irish Setter, Bloodhound, Bull Terrier, Great Pyrenees, Collie, Cane Corso, Whippet, Lhasa Apso, English Springer Spaniel, Weimaraner, Yorkshire Terrier, Belgian Malinois, Jack Russell Terrier, Scottish Terrier. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to channel.